Candid Chips and Bites for Grade 10.
Unit 1. Introduction to Internet. The old model of isolated computers serving the needs of organizations has been replaced by a large number of separate but interconnected computers, known as computer networks. The use of computer networks was the result of U.S. Defense Project ARPANET, Advanced Research Projects Agency Network, initiated around 30 years back to develop a computer network connecting a few computers of universities and research organizations in USA for data transfer between computers. Who governs the Internet? Since no single organization owns the Internet, there are a number of volunteer organizations which are responsible for different types of activities, such as IAB, the Internet Architecture Board, which is responsible for approving the standards and allocating resources. IETF, the Internet Engineering Task Force, which is responsible for discussing and investigating the technical problems on the Internet. INTER-NIC. This organization is responsible for providing registration services to Internet users.